What's going on? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1971 Stepside C-10. This one has a believed to be 454 under the hood. It's got power steering. Pretty good looking truck. We're gonna walk around this truck, point out any kind of flaws I can find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. We do this with every vehicle on the lot. We also do test drives, so be looking for a test drive of this because as soon as I get done with this video, we're taking off down the road. If you don't mind, follow us on Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, all the good social media stuff. Just type in Maple Motors or Maple Motors Classic Cars. If you go to our website, which is maplemotors.com, you get close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping information. We're gonna start up here in the front and check this truck out. Front bumper's not in bad shape at all. It looks pretty good. The grill's got some chips and paint flaking. A few little scratches. The tires seem to be in pretty good shape on this one. Gonna have to fix our emblem. A little loose. Small tint strip on the front windshield. We will be shutting the hood down towards the end of the video. Tinted windows all the way around on this one. Light scratches right here on the back side. Looks like they've already replaced the rear bumper as well. We got a magnet tag stuck on there right now. Dual exhaust. The bed's in awesome condition. Looks pretty good. Your back window, they painted over the strip. See, the truck used to be red. It's got some imperfections right below the back window as well. Tail lights could be in better shape. These look fairly new. This side of the bumper's got some light scratches on top. Little crack right there on the side of the bed. Imperfections in the paint. Light scratch right here as well. Got some cracking popping up by the door. You can see where it used to be red. Door handles got some pitting popping up on the chrome. All right, we've made it around the truck. Now let's go ahead and check the interior out. We'll get this thing started up. The seat's got a little bit of a rip as soon as I open the door. Door panel needs a speaker cover, probably a new speaker. Carpet's not terrible. Just go ahead and sit in here. Steering wheel's got a little bit of surface rust popping up on it. Go ahead, place your bets. You think that horn works? I may be wrong on the speakers. They could JBLs, they look a little bit better up close. Your cigarette lighter or your charging port. Face to the radios in the office. We take them out so nobody messes around and steals our radios. Like to keep them if I have them. Blower motor's not working on this one. Wipers are working. Horn, y'all ready? It works. Showing 12,000 miles on the dash. Hard to stand behind that in this truck. With a fuel gauge all the way down like that, we're gonna go ahead and stop at the gas station doing the test drive. Oil pressure gauge looks like it's moving around, coming up. We do got a temp gauge here. The motor should be starting to warm up by now. I don't know if it's working yet or it'll just bounce up all at once. A little scuff right there on the paint, and the headliner looks pretty good in here. Motor's nice and quiet. Running pretty smooth. Under the hood looks nice and solid. Go ahead and shut it down. Comes down pretty easy. Seems to be lining up pretty good. I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots here in just a moment. You can also check out under detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Start up here in the front. Alright guys, like I said, hit that subscribe button for daily content. Getting ready to take off on a test drive on this one. You can find any of our videos through, YouTube here. Under the year, the model, and Maple Motors. Join us on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Got a couple channels on here as well for the music. Top right hand corner. it's about that time to go for a ride now, so I'll see y'all on the next video. Later, guys.